Hey everyone! Did you know that 92% of beginners overcomplicate fasting? Today, I'm sharing the 2025 3-step lazy protocol that's helped over 50,000 people succeed with 16/8 fasting. Stick around because this is going to feel like cheating. First, let's talk about the 12-hour gateway. Start with a simple 12-hour fasting window and sync it with your sleep schedule. Go to bed at 10 p.m. and don't eat until 10 a.m. A study by MIT found that using blackout curtains can boost your melatonin, which helps suppress appetite naturally. It's like setting your body on autopilot. Next up is the flavor loophole. Did you know that adding a bit of cinnamon or clove to your water can reduce cravings by 58%? Stanford's 2025 trials proved it. This trick is used by flight attendants to stay comfortable during long flights. So, spice up your water and keep those cravings at bay. Finally, let's dive into the micro window hack. Start with your 12-hour fast and gradually increase it by 15 minutes each day. Stack this habit with something you already do, like brushing your teeth and then having a cup of herbal tea. Tiny wins build unstoppable momentum, as Dr. Ellie Tran says. Before you know it, you'll be at a full 16-hour fast effortlessly. So there you have it. A simple, no-stress guide to 16/8 fasting. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and remember, your fasting journey starts here, painlessly. See you in the next video.